There, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this one out. I got a 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Look at this thing. It's nice. Light blue, alloy wheels. You got a sunroof up on top along with luggage rack. Privacy glass. Keep that sun off the kids. Rear backup assist along with camera. We do have power liftgate. Power sliding doors, and we can operate that, as you can see, with the remote. And yep, it's got remote start. So this is called swivel and go. So you got this table that you can put in the center there. I'll show you where it goes, but those seats will fold down flat in there if you need them to. And one at 60/40, so you can do one and leave one up, you know, so if you need more room. It does have floor mats that come with it. Front wheel drive, 6-cylinder. This is a local trade-in. It's got a clean auto check. We've checked the car out, so it should be all set to go. So the swivel and go right here means that these seats will swivel around, and you can put that table up right there. You can have a little table back here. You can just swivel around. The kids can play games, keep themselves occupied. Still has the storage area down here, like the Stone Go, but these seats won't go down in there. You can take the seats out, but other than that, that's all you can do. So it's got power windows, door locks, and mirrors. Power seat, auto climate control. You got power pedals, directionals on the and menu buttons for the car. On the steering wheel, cruise control. There's your AM/FM CD radio with the navigation. Backup camera shows up there. You got dual automatic climate control, heated front seats, storage all over this vehicle. What's this car missing? It's missing you. You need to get down here and buy this one, but gotta ask for Brad. Hey, check out our inventory, tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for me. Have a great day.